Today, we have a 2007 Cadillac Escalade ESV. Is very highly optioned. Has heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, power side step, 2 DVD players for the third row and middle row, navigation, park assist with a backup camera, towing package, adjustable pedals, and more. Let's take a look inside. Black on black with a wood trim. Captain seating. Let's start it up, see how it sounds. Does have the V8 rumble. Cadillac has hands-free Bluetooth calling, as well as Bluetooth audio. Has a heated steering wheel as well. Right here, you can control various settings for your board computer. Trip, fuel range, economy, how much fuel you've used, a timer, transmission temp, speedometer, and the odometer. You have vehicle information. Various settings. Escalade has automatic headlights as well as power folding mirrors. Touchscreen display. You can use the buttons on here to control it as well. You have AM, FM, as well as XM radio. Has a multi-disc CD changer with the DVDs for the 2 screens in the back. It has heated and ventilated seats in the front. Ventilation right here. It has heated seats for the bottom and back, as well as just the back. Dual zone climate control. Fan speed right here. Directional settings right here. This button right here controls the side step. This button right here controls the pedal locks. Pushing it will either lower them or bring them closer to you. It's OnStar as well as hands-free calling. This Cadillac does have Bose premium sound speakers. Take a look in the back seat. Captain seating. Room for 7. There's a DVD player up there, as well as right here. Center console, we have rear heated seats, their own climate control system. Buttons right here control the radio in the back, as well as input and output ports for the DVD. Cup holders in the bottom. These do fold flat as well as up. Pull it again. Third row seat folds as well. This button right here controls the tailgate, sunroof. These buttons control the seat folding in the back. Push the button. It does have a towing package as well. Let's open up the trunk. As stated before, the seats do fold down. 12-volt outlet back here. Cover for your hitch. Storage right here. The tailgate does close by itself. Pop open the hood. Powered by a 6.2 liter V8. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us at ultimatemotorsva.com or on Facebook at Ultimate Motors VA. Thank you.